Have you ever wondered why moths are irresistibly drawn to the light, even at the expense of their own safety? A moth is an insect that belongs to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes butterflies. Most moths are nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night. However, there are also crepuscular and diurnal moth species. One way to distinguish moths from butterflies is by their antennae. Butterflies have thin antennae with small clubs or balls at the end, but moths have feathery antennae without a ball at the end. Moths evolved long before butterflies, with some moth fossils dating back around 190 million years. Both moths and butterflies co-evolved with flowering plants, as most species feed on flowering plants as adults and larvae. Moths exhibit a fascinating behavior when it comes to light, and scientists have been intrigued by this phenomenon for quite some time. Let's explore some of the theories behind why moths are attracted to light. Most nocturnally active moths are attracted to light, a behavior known as positive phototaxis. Positive phototaxis in moths refers to the phenomenon where moths are attracted to light. This behavior is commonly observed in many nocturnally active moths. The phrase "like a moth to a flame" refers to this potential fatal attraction, since a moth doesn't always escape the heat of a fire or the zap of a bug light. Celestial navigation in moths refers to the navigational technique used by moths where they use celestial bodies like the moon and stars for orientation. Moths position themselves and fly at a fixed angle relative to these celestial light sources. This allows them to maintain a consistent flight path and navigate effectively, especially during their nocturnal activities. Philip Callahan proposed an infrared theory of light attraction. The infrared theory is one of the theories proposed to explain why moths are attracted to light. According to this theory, the infrared, heat, radiation from light sources may resemble the infrared reflection from moth pheromones. Pheromones are chemicals released by insects to attract mates. In this context, male moths may be fooled into thinking a light source is a female moth, due to the similar infrared signals. This could lead them to be fatally deceived, as they may fly towards the light source thinking it's a potential mate. The dorsal light reaction in moths is a behavioral response where moths tend to keep the lighter sky above them, or on their dorsal side, back, when they fly. This is a common phenomenon observed in most flying animals. When moths encounter an artificial light source, they may confuse it with the sky light and dip down towards it. It's part of the reason why moths, and many other insects, are seen spiraling around or being attracted to artificial light sources. This reaction, along with other behaviors like positive phototaxis, plays a significant role in the complex navigational strategies of moths. However, the exact mechanisms and reasons behind these behaviors are still being studied and understood. So the next time you see a moth fluttering towards the light, remember the intrinsic connection they share with the celestial realm and the ancient wisdom that guides their journey. For in the dance of light and darkness, moths remind us of the eternal quest for illumination and the innate longing to transcend the boundaries of our existence. Stay tuned for more enlightening discoveries on our channel. Thank you for watching.